Ooh. What's happening, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. It's here. Let's light it up. Ooh! So, as you can see, we got some new stuff happening. And it is super exciting. I'm really stoked. Know you guys are. So this is not the finished product. This is not where we're ending up with, but this is kind of the beginning. So we've got a few more changes to make. First off, let us know in the comments down below what you think of the new set, how you think it's coming along, and what you'd like to see us do. This set lets us spread out a little bit, gives us a little bit more room. Now, we're not doing away with the sticker wall, so if you want stickers on the sticker wall, we're still going to be using that set as well. But we've also got some new really exciting stuff coming along, and we are super excited about that. So we've got a lot more to do with this set, a lot more that's going to be going on up here, and all kinds of stuff over here, and a workbench, and all this kind of stuff. So really cool setup for our shop here, so that we can show you, but I guess you guys might want to talk about this. We've been waiting for over a year for this knife. This knife has been over a year in the making, and it's here now. And of course, it's the Cowboy. The Granddaddy Barlow Remington Silver Bullet. Let's take a look at that one up close right there. What makes this a silver bullet? Well, that shield right there. And if you'll notice right there, that silver bullet shield says sterling. Yes, that is sterling silver right there to make that bullet shield on each and every one of these knives. Now, this is the 2022 edition. Yes, I know it is 2023. These are all stamped 2022 because that is when this project started. It started at the beginning of 2022. Actually, at the end of 2021 is when this all started. And when we got the ball rolling on this, this was supposed to be for a 2022 release date. I mean, it's still, to put together a product this nice, it takes time. It takes planning. And, you know, we had to go back to the drawing board and look at a few things. But we've got them in now. They're here. 2022 model. And this is absolutely beautiful. So that's sawcut bone with cartridge brass liners. So cartridge brass on the liners, brass pins, nickel silver on the bolster right there, and the sterling silver bullet shield. Now, this is going to have a special dated tang stamp right there. It's going to have the model number, which is R9511, and then 2022 right there on the tang stamp. And this one, of course, made by GEC for us. If you've kept up with their product page, their product catalog page, you saw some of the production shots of this knife. It's 4.7 inches closed and weighs just 3.7 ounces. Has that 3.5 inch clip point blade, and that is 1095 carbon steel on that clip point blade right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous knife, and we are really excited and really happy with how this turned out. Like I said, sawcut bone on the handles, beautiful coloring right there, just very well done all the way around. Made here in the USA by the experts at Great Eastern Cutlery, GEC, and only available here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and it is available February 10th, 10 a.m. Eastern. So it is available now. Get them while you can, because these are very, very limited on these. They're coming in at $199.99, and and a lot of people looking at the pictures, you can't really tell that this is a Granddaddy Barlow. But if you look at it now in my hands, I mean, you get a size comparison right there. You can understand this is definitely not a normal smaller Barlow. I can put this one up. Actually, a good size comparison is actually going to be my Spyderco Para 3 right here. So you can see right there the size comparison with the Spyderco Para 3. Open that up. So much larger than that Para 3. much longer. So, folks, I think you need to check these out. These things are absolutely gorgeous. This one right here, this one's definitely going in my collection. This is one of the most beautiful things I've seen in a while. Everybody knows my propensity for really liking traditional slip joint patterns, loving the long pulls on these, just like this one here, and also the swedging on that blade, and also loving 1095 carbon steel. I mean, it's tried, true, and it just works. It's absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic done. Let us know what you think in the comments down below on this knife, and check them out, y'all. As always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com, and remember, big cuts, like that Remington Granddaddy Barlow silver bullet, then we kid.